import data using get and transform, otherwise known as Power Query. So let's we navigate on the ribbon to data, and this is a text file. So from text CSV. Okay, here's our file that I've already downloaded, the text file. So select that, import. All right, here's a preview of what's coming in. It is tab delimited, and Excel has put that in automatically. That's a pretty good job of recognizing the correct delimiter between columns. All right, so let's go ahead and transform data here to bottom right. Okay, we'll get rid of the first 5 rows. So remove rows, remove top rows. First 5 we need to get rid of, as we can see there. Then we'll promote the header. Okay, and now it's showing date is 1, 2, 3, so it's recognized this as a number, not a calendar date. So that's year, month, and day. And let's look at these. That's ABC, that's text. That should be text. This is recognizing as decimal place, which is fine for revenue. And of course, location and product are both, that is, product names and location name are both text, the ABC indicating text. So let's try to change the date to a calendar date, and we'll see what kind of luck we have here. I'll first just try it here. So date, okay, replace current. All right, and that seemed to work fine. Now you may need to do something a little bit different. Let me try something else here. I'm going to undo that. So I'll go over here and undo what I just did, which seemed to work fine. Okay, so now it's ABC. Let's see if this works okay with that. Okay, so it worked fine with that. So sometimes it's a little bit finicky. I think we're okay here with the date. All right. Okay, so if it doesn't work, you may need to change it from number to text as ABC and try it. If that doesn't work, change it to ABC and then try it to date. So it can be a little bit finicky. All right, so let's see what else we need to do. We want to create a month column. So I'm going to duplicate this. Okay, so I can right click. We can see a number of things here, and this is also in the ribbon. Okay, so we'll add duplicate column. It's going to be here at the end, and we're going to extract the month. Extract the month. So right click, transform month. Okay, and it's going to give us the month as a number 1 through 12, if my memory is correct. There we go. Yep. Okay. Let's change that. Just double click and type in month. Okay, then we'll also extract the year. So duplicate column, right click that column, transform year. All right, and rename that year. It's going to come in as a table. Let's make sure the table that's going to contain this data is called TB sales. We'll go here on the right where it says properties name. We'll rename that to TB sales. Okay, got to hit enter. All right, I think we're okay. So we'll go to file. Well, let's see, here we go, file, close and load to. And we're going to do, let's see, existing worksheet, cell A7, A7. All right. So the default was table, we left it as table. I did change it to existing worksheet and selected A7 and click on OK. And here's our data. So 69,048 rows, as we can see there on the side. And again, this is recognized as dates, as we can tell by the drop down there. And for we do have now a column for month as well as year, as that might be needed. Okay, if I needed to edit this, go over here, hover, there's edit. That will bring back up the Power Query editor, and we can see our steps here. I can delete steps. So for example, I renamed that to year. If I delete that, it goes back. All right, and we can see I can keep backing up actually if I need to redo something. And so now I can redo that. Okay, so I do transform year. Okay. And if I do make changes, I can go to File, Close and Load. If I've gone in and made some changes, decide I don't want to make those changes, I can discard and close and go back to the data that was there. All right, since I can do either one in this case, since I just kind of redid what the last few steps. So I'll do Close and Load. I'll just come back here.